back to Brunette Wig Place. I'm Lisa and I am so glad that you are here today. Before I get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and you'll get a notification every time I post a new wig related video. So this is Brunette Wig Place, but you wouldn't know that by what's on my head, right? So this is a very blonde wig that was sent to me by UniWigs. This is part of their Lavivid collection. The name of the wig is Anna, and the color on her is Sunflower Blonde, which is 24 and 28R. So very, very pretty blonde, very different for me, but you know, it's summer and we're lightening up our hair. And when they first told me they wanted to send me a blonde, I said, no, I wear brunettes. I don't think I would wear a blonde. I don't think I'll look good in a blonde. And they said, no, we want to send you this blonde. So I said, okay, send it to me, because I figured it was a great opportunity for me to show all my brunette beauties that you can wear a blonde, you can play around with color. I will tell you, I didn't really change my makeup. My makeup is kind of neutral anyway. I don't really go crazy with the makeup. I'm not that skilled with makeup. You know, just FYI. You can probably tell that. But anyway, no, just kidding. But anyway, you know, I just kept my makeup my usual daily face. Sometimes I play with a little eyeshadow, play with a little lipstick, but generally, you know, I look the same in every video, right? So, and it's working. I think that it just goes to show that when we kind of keep a, you know, neutral face and we can play around with colors and we can make them work. And you can, you know, think about what you're wearing. I'm wearing kind of a tealy green top, but, you know, I'm kind of pleasantly surprised. So I'm glad that I went ahead and said, sure, I'll try a blonde, because it's good for me to see myself in blondes. I'm very married to my brunettes, of course, and it's good for y'all to see, you know, that you can branch out and you can wear different colors. So Anna is such a cute style. It's kind of a short bob, almost a pixie in the back, but you know, pretty much one length all the way around. It gets a little bit shorter. The measurements that are given for her are that it's 2 inches to 6.5 inches, but I'm measuring from the crown down to this very point right here. I'm measuring about 10 inches. So, you know, just a fun style. And these fibers, these are heat-friendly fibers. These are new fibers for their Lavivid line for 2020. They've come out with 2 or 3 new wigs for the line, and these are called real tress fibers. And I have to say, the whole point of them, according to their website, is that they really mimic human hair. They have the same kind of shininess as human hair, texture and all that. And I have to say, I totally agree. They are just light and wispy. I'm kind of amazed. They're beautiful, beautiful fibers. So I'm really, really impressed with this wig. So I almost forgot. Let me do a turn so you can see her all the way around. And then we'll get into, you know, talking about her cap construction, all that kind of stuff. So super cute. I love the style. I can't tell you how much I am in love with the style. So this is my right side. Super cute. The back. So you see, it kind of stays more like a bob in the back as opposed to a pixie, or maybe it's a long pixie, I don't know. And then my left side, and then back to the front. Okay, so she is a full mono top, which I love, and a lace front. She does come with lace that goes to about here, so you do have to trim the lace. It goes all the way to the ear tabs and across the front, but it was super easy to trim. Don't be intimidated. When you trim lace, just trim right along the edge of the hairline. You may trim off a few hairs. Don't freak out. It's not hard. It's no big deal. So I will show you the lace front because I'm super impressed with it. Really, really pretty. Now there is a poly strip on the inside too that I'll show you when I take it off. And if you look really, really close on this particular color, I can kind of see it on the part, but I don't think it's going to be that noticeable. You know, if it's something that bothered you, you could go in and put some, you know, concealer or foundation or something on your part. But honestly, I don't think it's something that's going to show that much. But this lace front is fabulous. I mean, I just love it. And like I said, these fibers are amazing. So really, really nice. So I have a little bit of bio hair that peeks through, you know, but other than that, I've got really good coverage. The cap size that they give is 21.75 inches. So I would definitely say that this is a small average, and, you know, and then below. So small, average, and petite. I'll show you the ear tabs. Ear tabs are nice. There's a big piece of metal. I've got good coverage around the ear tabs. Ear tabs are staying in place. Cap is thin, not bulky. I really like that. So really, really nice. Okay, so let me pop her off and we can look at the inside of the cap. See my dark hair now. Okay, so here is that mono top, and that's that poly strip I'm talking about. So that is just, you know, for a little extra grip on your head. So there's the lace front where I cut it, but it comes, like I said, it's got lace down to about here. Not a super big lace front that you have to cut off. The lace front extends down onto the ear tabs, which I really like. Ear tabs have nice soft felt on them. You have closed wefting all through the cap, which is really nice. It's very comfortable. It's almost like wearing a hand-tied cap. But the price is a little lower when you have closed wefting as opposed to fully hand-tied, so it's nice. Okay, she's got hook adjusters, which I had to bring in once, you know, on each side. And then she has an extended felt nape, which is nice and soft and comfortable. There are also metal stays here in the nape, which is something I normally only see in human hair wigs. So that's kind of nice. So when you get that nape up against, you know, the back of your head here, you can just push those down and really mold the wig to your head, which I really, really love. Okay. Sorry about that, it took me a second. Okay, so as far as her color, like I said, this is Sunflower Blonde, and the numbers that they give for that are 24 to 28R. So R meaning it is rooted, and it's really pretty. There's a light blonde and a darker blonde, kind of a platinum. To me, it looks to be more of a cool blonde. I don't really feel that I'm much of a blonde expert, of course, because I don't wear a lot of blondes. But that's what I'm seeing is a cooler blonde. Really, really pretty color. Very natural blonde. I mean, I don't think anybody would know this is a wig. So it's just so cute. I absolutely love this style. I mean, it's just super cute. Okay, so let's take this Sunflower Blonde outside and we will look at her in the natural light. Okay, so I'm outside under the patio cover right now. So you can see she's a light color. Gorgeous blonde though. Really, really pretty. Okay, now I'll go out here. It's kind of cloudy today, but so you can see her in full natural light. You can see the rooting. So that Sunflower Blonde, that just such a pretty color. Seeing it outside, I went back and watched that little clip that I filmed and I was like, wow, such a pretty blonde. So now I'll talk about how to style her. She's got a lot of really cute ways that you can style her. So I've just stuck a headband in her and I pulled out, you know, a little bit of hair at the ear tab. Just looks really, really cute. I mean, like I said, these fibers, I feel like I'm wearing human hair. It's just blowing my mind. You could also just stick it in there, you know, and that looks cute too. Just have to kind of, when you stick it in there, you have to kind of play with your ears a little bit, make sure you don't have a funny little, you know, piece sticking up there, but super cute. I will show you how easy she is with glasses because she's just super easy. Just no problem, no problem, no problem, no problem, super easy. So, you know, those ear tabs are nice and flush to my face, so they're not knocking into the glasses or anything. You could push the glasses up on your head because you've got this temple to temple lace front, which looks fabulous, although that does show that little bit of bio hair that I have sticking out. And since I am wearing a color that's so different from my bio hair, might not want to do that. You know, but then I could just stick my glasses in like that. So if I'm wearing a light color, I probably wouldn't, you know, push the hair back with the glasses. But I wanted to let you know that that is something that you can do. Okay, so anything else with styling? I mean, you know, you've got this beautiful lace front. So you can just pull all the hair off, you know, the front. You can leave a little bit. I was playing around with it earlier. I left a little bit down and pulled it back. You know, you could just stick a pretty little clip in. It's just so cute. This is such a cute cut. I love it. I think I'm gonna have to get one of these in a brunette. So she is ear tuckable. Looks really cute like that too. And then, like I said, you have heat-friendly fibers. So if you want to go in and put some waves in and stuff like that, that is another thing that you can do. Just remember that when you change the shape of these fibers, if you go in and put curl in, it is not going to wash out or anything like that. You are going to have to go in and heat treat those fibers to get it straight again. And personally, I love this super straight cut. I mean, this is awesome because, you know, like I remember I used to straighten my hair was straight, but then it kind of had a little funny body wave to it. So I would go in with the straightener and get it all straightened out. And then I would walk out in the heat and the humidity in the summertime, and it would just start to, you know, frizz out on me again. And so isn't this awesome? Like it looks like you went through and you straightened your hair and it's gonna stay straight because it's synthetic. So I just love that. So super, super cute. So again, this is Anna from the Lavivid line for UniWigs, and the color on her is Sunflower Blonde. Thank you so much to UniWigs for sending me this piece to review for you all today. There will be a link below for purchase that you can find below the video in the info section. So until next time, hope you're doing well, and don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.